How to add Apollo Group TV app to Firestick. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can add Apollo Group TV app on Firestick. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to enable apps from unknown sources. So from here you have to select My Fire TV. After that you have to go to the developer option. From here you have to turn on apps from unknown sources. So click on turn on. Install the downloader application in your Firestick. For that, again go to the Fire TV home screen and in the search icon you have to type in downloader. Then choose the downloader application from the search results. Then select the download button and wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, you have to open up the downloader, and when the prompted, allow it to access files on your device. So after the installation is complete, or if the downloader is successfully installed, now you have to open the downloader application and you will see this kind of interface. Here in the URL field you have to enter 29936 and then you have to click on go. Then the Apollo Group download page will open. From there you have to select download and wait for the APK file to finish downloading. You have to select install and wait for the installation to complete. And once the application is installed, now click on done to run the downloader or open to launch the application. If you select done, then you can delete the APK from the downloader to save the storage. And now you have downloaded the Apollo Group in your Firestick and it will appear in the list of application. Now you are ready to log in and start watching. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.